Alrighty, as said in my short video earlier, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to need to do to take my cassette off. I'm going to need this tool here, which fits down into the cassette and allows me to wrench the cassette off. It's what fits inside. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but there it is. I'm also going to be needing this, 79 cents from a pawn shop. Recycle. Don't need everything new. We made enough crap. I'm also going to need this. Normally you have a chain whip. I don't have one, so I'm just going to make do with that. Fine, but first we're going to get my bike into lowest gear, the speediest gear, the heaviest gear, so to speak. And I'm going to get my front derailleur into my top gear here. Pull my brake loose, take my wheel off, take my quick release out. Put it to the side. Then I want to pull my derailleur, rear derailleur. I want to pull it where the chain loosens up so I can just yank my wheel out onto it. Wheel on the couch like I shouldn't. Move my bike over somewhere. Just kind of getting. Alright, so again, we're going to use the chain whip. This should not be any kind of issue to pull off. Not really. So again, this guy fits right into the cassette itself. Looks like just a bit of chain, an old recyclable chain, salvaged, used, etc. I'm here just to loosen it a bit. And get this guy on here. See? Pull this guy up. Off the chain off around, that's in the 4-layer. So here we go. I'm going to take this guy off. There's the cap to my Origin 8 cassette, which has a couple of sharp teeth on it where the teeth are broken or jagged, and it's causing my chain to slip. So even if I put a brand new chain on here, it would not help this at all. I'm going to clean this off just a little bit. But yeah, having done over, I would just safely say 3,000 miles minimum on this cassette that I bought. It was inexpensive. I bought it at a place local here in Mobile for about $16, I think. Now this SRAM was only 34 bucks. So it's not exactly expensive. And I got a lot of miles out of it, so good deal. And again, I just want to clean this just because I never get in here. It's something you really have to mess with. So all clean for the most part. This old guy here. Shiny for a minute. Very long, unfortunately. Pull the plastic keeper off. That's where my other lock ring and my, I think 12, I think it is. Yeah, 12. So this here, it only has a few spaces. This is real tiny crevice. And then it has a couple of larger crevices around the side, but they do that not just so it's easier to not just slip right on. Boom. Not too good. Boy, that looks new. Not for long, man. Not for long. Lock ring. Tighten it down just a bit. And this guy here, I only need to nearly hand tighten. The reason why is, as I'm pedaling my chain's running over this and it's going to tighten down.